I am so happy that miniatures are on the uptick because you are starting to find miniatures of all kinds everywhere, and I cannot stop. No one is going to be able to stop me. Last year, it was a little bit harder to find miniatures. There were a few little things you could find here and there, but as far as having all the miniatures, I wasn't able to do it, but today is a new year. These are called Teeny Tinies, and I did not know these were a thing, but the minute I saw them, I had to have anything I could get my hands on. So far, I've only been able to find these three. Let's unbox these right now and have a look at these. And if I find more, I'll get them. These are going to be linked for you below. You can buy these online like I did and get whatever they have in stock. Ridiculously adorable. Even the box itself is super cute. This isn't actually a handle. This is paper, but it looks like it's a handle that you can carry around. It's a lunchbox. A lunchbox. It actually says 90s lunchbox, and that is too cute. It's not for children under 3, and I am definitely over 3. This is inside the box. It looks like a little lunch tray that you would get from school. I've actually bought this for my kids. Those little lunch trays are fun. Okay, let's see what we have here. Let's start with the very cute but rather giant lunchbox. I feel like this is humongous. It's got little pockets. Put it into perspective. Here is a calico critter who could fit inside the lunchbox. Won't close with them in there, but still. Rather a large lunchbox. It's definitely 90s themed. I literally have a picture with that as the background. We've got a Woo soda, a mini, aka High C. Look at this straw. Is that not adorable? We've got a Sunny Delight. Oh no, it's just an orange juice. We've got a giant thermos. Matches the lunchbox perfectly. Let's see if it'll go inside of there. The lid comes off. No way does that go in there. It's strange to me that the lunchbox and the thermos is so ginormous when we've got this teeny tiny orange juice bottle. A squeezy juice! Oh my goodness, remember these? That's amazing. It looks like that's all the drinks we have. Time to eat! A Lunchable. That is very cute. Quick dips. These are delicious in real life, I think. I don't recall ever actually eating one. And here is the cheese one. Now, those are legit. A yogurt crunchy, strawberry blast. No idea what this is supposed to be. I've never seen anything like that. Remember this gum? That gum, and you were allowed to eat the paper, and it tasted disgusting, but that didn't stop me from eating it. It has a zebra on it in real life. These are cosmic brownies. I have some in my house right now, and they're delicious. But I can only eat half one because they're too sweet. This is a sour squeeze. You can get these nowadays too. Nala bar. Nala, I don't know what this is. But that little wrapper is mighty cute. A pudding pack. A teeny pudding pack. Chocolate. This says cheesy crunchy bites made with whole grain. I don't know what this is. No idea. I like the little tear portion. Super cute. Ice cream. Remember these? Oh man. And the spoons were wooden at school, and I literally cannot eat with wooden spoons. Autism speaking. This is the Fruit Bursts. We have these nowadays. Another sour squeeze. And this is Bling Delights. I get these for my kids every chance I get. They're so fun. Ring Pops. I loved it. It took a little bit longer than I thought it would, so I think putting all 3 together may be a little too long. So I'll do 3 separate videos, part 1, part 2, and part 3 with the different pieces. You definitely want to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss the other 2, and I'll put them up tomorrow and then the next day so that you can just come back and watch one right after the other. Let me know if you've seen these in store, which ones I'm missing, which ones I need to get, and which ones you've gotten. See you real soon. In fact, tomorrow.